Hey guys, Paper Nate here, and welcome back to the Paper Nate channel. Today we have a package. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for like weeks. Well, actually the shipping was pretty fast, but once again, DHL sent me the clear for customs notice pretty late. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get my package later than I could have. I wish they could send it to me right away so that I could clear the package and then we can open it like ASAP. But que sera, whatever will be will be. It's just a mini haul today. It's not the huge purchases that I usually get. This last Happy Planner release, not too much that I had my eye on, but I did get a few things, so I wanted to open it with you guys today. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, I only got 4 items, but 4 goodies. Now, actually, I noticed they didn't really package this as good as they have in the past. But, I hope that the items are still in good condition. Of course, I had to buy the lovely letters. I don't have too many lettering sticker books, so I think this would be super, super fun to have. Let's do a quick flip through while we're here. We have some quotes, some heart stickers. What did they call these? Like, I remember Lauren did the thing and it was a very strange name for these. It was like ransom stickers, which is like, it's kind of giving like Zodiac killer vibes, but I love it. And then we also have these cute, classy little floral stickers. And then of course, golds, blacks. Very nice. I don't really like these. It kind of looks like remember that anti-theft video that would play before like you would like play a movie in like the DVD players? It kind of looks like that font. It's a little scary. And of course we have some more like magazine cutout style. This is really cute. I can't wait to use these. Next up, we have, of course, I've been looking forward to using these stickers too. Oh my god, it's a little damaged, but it's okay. We only lost one. I love the cross stitch like vibes in this. Like, look at that. And you guys don't know, I just recently posted my cross stitch that I completed like earlier this year. I love cross stitching. I can't wait. Oh my god, I thought this said Nate. I was like, oh my gosh. Nate. I was like, they made this for me. I'm kind of crazy. These are so cute though. I can't wait. I love the embroidery hoop that they used. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and look, they have like Happy Planner stickers. That's so fun. I hope that we get like more of this like similar theme because it's so fun. So fun and colorful, and I'm obsessed. Oh my god, the cross-stitch flowers. So cute. These are really pretty. It's kind of giving McDonald's. This is a cute gingham pattern. Big sale, art supply shopping DIY day. Very cute. Some more decorative stickers with the transparent back. Some lists, more quotes, washies. Oh, this is cute. They used the embroidery loop to make like a note section. Ooh, these are nice too. Washi strips. Oh, they like these too. Me, ooh. Of course, we have more decorative elements, some gold ones, more boxes, to-dos, supplies needed. I love the style of these. And that is, oh my god, these are so cute. I wish we got more than just hearts, but you know, it's okay. Maybe we'll get some more things. This is also really cute too. Some like candy bracelets. I love it. Yeah. So that's the Cozy Crafts, of course. And then I also got the Western Bloom sticker sheets. So this one was more Western themed. You know, surprisingly, there were a few like fun character books. They did Toy Story, I think it was Jessie, and they did Minnie and Daisy like in a 70s theme. But I looked through the previews and I kind of wasn't like, I wasn't vibing with it. So I decided to skip it this time. Maybe when they go on sale, I'll pick it up then. because you guys know I do love a character book, but I've never been a huge fan of Toy Story, to be honest with you guys. And I wasn't really feeling the Daisy and Minnie stickers. Like, I already have a really good, like, throwback kind of sticker set through the Saved by the Bell, and I haven't used those yet. So I was like, I don't really need more of the less the same thing. But let's flip through the Western Bloom. These are so cute too. I love like the bandana pattern and the cowboy boots. I love that it like sticks to this reddish brown colorway. I love it. Oh my god, look at these boot. Oh my god, and I'm trying to see what are, oh, and there's like little boot cutouts in the cow print. Very cute. Oh, it's so shiny. Very nice. It's like such a, oh, my book is a little cut weird, y'all. But hopefully it doesn't mess up too many stickers. I love the lists and the decorative elements. Oh, this is so, I don't know, it's giving like really 2000s vibes. You know, here we have a washi strip page. Ooh, I like this. It's a washi strip page, but with the bandana pattern. I'm definitely going to be using that in the spread. Cows. I love the cow print. I don't really see too much cow print nowadays. Like brown cow stunning. Anyways, these are really cute. I love the boots. Darling. Do small things with great love. I don't know why I'm speaking with a country accent. I'm a country bumpkin. Yeah, these are really cute. I feel like they're more or less the same, but I think I could definitely pull out like a really cute spread. I think I definitely like this more than the Jessie one, because I feel like the Jessie one was also Toy Story themed, but this one kind of like low-key blew her out of the water, I'm not gonna lie. And last but not least, of course, had to get the Gilmore Girls XD Happy Planner Be Happy box. Check out my unboxing video when I do this, but I will just show you what is in this Be Happy box. So first of all, we have a fabric cover, classic dated, undated planner, 20 sheets of classic folded fill paper, which I love the fill paper, the folded fill paper ever since I got that Stitch and Angel Be Happy box. I love like the expanded list you can make with the folded paper is very cute. We get some Deluxe Classic bookmarks, an embroidered patch, which I'm probably going to put on my CPAP machine. I've been putting all my like patches onto my CPAP machine that I get. So yeah, 50 sheets of a gum notepad, 3-pack highlighters, fabric zip pouch, 30 sheets of the sticker value pack, 1 sheet of sticker stamps with acrylic block. Oh, and that's it. This is in French. Oh, I didn't know that they made the French boxes. I thought it was going to be Spanish because, you know, Happy Planner's an American company, right? Oh, cool. Now my box is a little bit damaged. I feel like it's because they didn't have time to put like much space to put like foam, but that's cool. I'm not gonna open this in this video. You guys are gonna. I'm not gonna open this in this video. You guys are gonna have to watch my Gilmore Girls unboxing video, which I will link somewhere here, or in the description. And with that, I will see you guys next time for another Before the Pen Spread video. Bye!